It started out as a normal day. A walk, a hike, a paddle, a drive, a short adventure. Suddenly, everything changed. Twisted ankle, phone drop, weather turns, breakdown, lights out, you're lost, you're stuck, you're scared. You're in harm's way. You're in danger. It wasn't supposed to be like this. Crisis strikes when you least expect it. Survival often happens when you are least prepared. And on this day, you seem to bring nothing you now need. But you remembered to bring one thing: your wallet. And this, it's the Tiny Survival Guide. It doesn't look like your typical survival guide because nothing about this guide is typical. You're looking at a survival guide revolution. The all-new Tiny Survival Guide from Ultimate Survival Tips. This life-saving credit card-sized emergency resource is a compact, durable, tear and weather-resistant training tool that weighs less than an ounce and fits in a wallet, pocket, purse, glove box, or survival kit, so you can carry it everywhere all the time. Inside, you'll learn how to survive almost anything, including wilderness mishaps, vehicle accidents, hiking, camping, and hunting emergencies, and a lot more. Packed with 175 expert tips, 101 detailed illustrations, 67 life-saving skills, 24 essential gear checklists, and 10 mistakes you must avoid. This is an easy-to-read micro-guide that is designed to fit in your wallet. A fully optimized everyday carry survival learning system. Tiny Survival Guide gives you the confidence to get out there, experience new places, and live your dreams, knowing that you have a life insurance policy in your pocket. Step up to the smallest, lightest, most comprehensive wallet carry emergency survival guide ever engineered. This is the Tiny Survival Guide. Tiny Survival has already helped thousands get and stay prepared. Click the link below to join them and grab your Tiny Survival Guide now.